Hey guys, today I would like to talk about corner tool. As you may know, in Affinity Designer we can simply draw a shape like this, and then at the top you will be able to see corner shape that you can change by selecting different one over here. The thing is, this will affect all corners. We can use the slider. Okay, so this is like the easy way to round all corners. We got different styles. And the last one like this. Okay, so that's the one solution if you want to round all of them and you got simple shape. But in case your shape is more complex or you want to round just one corner, for example, we can use this tool over here called corner tool. And now I can round only one corner. Of course, I can change the style here. Or I can select two corners and round two. Okay, that's the basic use of this tool, but I want you to think about this corner tool as a shape building tool. Okay, so take a look. We can use it as a shape building tool. Okay, so I'll select corner tool again, and now I can drag it to the end, and now I got new shape. This is the perfect quarter of a circle. Okay, that's done really fast using just corner tool. If I change it to this one, I got triangle now. Okay, new example. I can mix different kind of corners. So I can round corners down there, and I can change corners at the top with different style. And now I got new shape, shield-like shape, very fast. I got my shield ready. So as you can see, it's great potential in this corner tool to be a shape building tool. Start with triangle, round two corners down here, and I got new shape, a drop shape. Really fast, right? It's also work other way. Let's make a new shape so I can show you what I mean. If I got shape like this, I can round the knot inside the shape. It doesn't need to be at the corner. Take a look, I can round it out like this. And I got new shape with perfect curve here. Okay. Let's try to use all corner styles on one shape. So corner tool and just select two shapes here. And this is really popular shape of leaves. People use it for leaves, and you can just do it using corner tool very fast. You don't need to use geometry, you don't need to draw multiple shapes and then try to intersect them. Really fast way of doing leaves. Okay, as you can see, there is huge potential from this corner tool to be a shape building tool. It is a shape building tool. It's got name corner tool, so many people just assume, okay, I can round corners, that's it. No, that's not true, as you can see here. Okay, so let's try all styles on one shape. So round here, change the style. Now pick other corner. And as you can see, I can now back to this corner and it will be responsive. So it will edit the different style on different corners. So it's not set in stone yet. I'm still building this shape. So it's responsive. That's really useful. Okay, and one more corner over here, maybe this. So as you can see, I can mix different styles and they're also responsive. So they affect each other like this. If I want to change that, I can convert the whole shape to curves. So I will have no more shape. Here we can bake corners and now it's normal shape. I can use normal node tool to modify nodes now. They are not responsive any longer. But now I can use corner tool again on them, and it will give me even more possibilities. So I hope this short video show you some important features of corner tool. Think about it as a shape building tool, not only like a simple tool to round the corner of your rectangle. Okay, there's one more thing. If you want to learn more about Affinity Designer, I just released Udemy course. So there's like 6 hours of videos for you guys to study more about Affinity Designer tools. This is project-based approach that will guide you through multiple projects. So if you're interested in longer course, just check the link in the description. And thank you for today. See you in my next tutorial.